Oh yeah! 56-58! Ang ating score sa talan. This game is presented to you by Ani Salvatini. Play the game your way. Ani Salvatini live. 18 seconds on the shot clock. There's another 6 and Henry jump around the 2 exactly 9 minutes and 46 seconds, 56 and 16. Balik na naman sa apat ang kalamang at pagkaling ibahay. 15 seconds on the shot. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Tapping, dropping, and a double team. Still there. 4 to shoot. 2 to shoot. And downhill. Dead head. Exactly 9 minutes and 22 seconds. And a bounce pass. Still there. And then to the net. Balik ang bola dito sa tumid na. Mas exactly 9 minutes and 9 seconds. 56 and 16. Silo na. Silo there. Listen in. That was the duty defense by TV behind. Exactly 9 minutes on our game clock. 56 and 16. 19 seconds on the shot. That was Gotemos. Shot clock. I mean, that is the backward violation there. Backward violation ng TV behind the shot. Apat na kalamang ang ito ng TV behind sa kita ng Silo. Silo lang. Silo. Dinisabi. Naive to shoot. And Solano. Solano there. Bye-bye. Exactly 8 minutes and 33 seconds. And the floater and the two. And a quick transition by the team behind. 17 seconds on the shot. Colon is shriveled. And a whistle on the offense. There's another 6. Salvador first personal ball and a first team ball against Team E behind. Exactly 8 minutes and 23 seconds. 14 seconds on the shot clock. One comes to Flores. And the first one is off. Exactly 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Flores ang gintis sa dalawang puntos. Kailangan ng tinamas itong mga ganitong nakakapapa sila. Itong mga habol sa score. Tinamas is in the pursuit. Beat ground. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. And the floater, Manabe there. Banks it home. Exactly 7 minutes and 57 seconds. 56 and 64. Now the Navas is on the chase. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Flores lost the handle. And last chance by Pirgo. Substitution. Pilaya check back in the rating. Pilaya only 8 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Pilaya 5 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Quick release. 3 ball the third head. Pilaya there for the putback. Got it by the Team Iba High Boys. Solano finding the man. There's number 6 there. 2-pointer. Inside the paint. The perimeter shooting. Excellent shooting by the Team Iba High. Exactly 7 minutes and 8 seconds. 56 and 66. Lumobo na sa sakto ang kalamangan. Silo there. 3-pointer. Third head. And recovered back by Silo. Exactly 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Silo down. Against Salvador. Silo down. And a pass there. Flores. Almost a slam by Flores. Exactly 6 minutes and 42 seconds. 28-66. Solano there. Check it in. Solano is keep on firing. From the perimeter, from the baseline, exactly 6 minutes and 27 seconds. 58-66, 68. 10-point lead. Flores And a whistle and a foul against jersey number 15, Sulano. Third personal foul and a first team foul against, second team foul against Lini Bahay. Exactly 6 minutes and 19 seconds. 58-68, Tampil Malamangan. Suwan babalik sa laro para palitan itong si Salvador. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Selpo, Andrew, Selpo.
14 to shoot. Right into the inside. Flores stands at home. Exactly 6 minutes and 12 seconds. And a whistle and a ball against jersey number 8, Siloden. First personal foul and a first team foul. Exactly 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Shot clock down on 20. Baba sa walawang kalamang ang itong Lini Bahay. 19 seconds on the shot. Suwana. Finding Manale and stolen by David Davina. Too strong. Exactly 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Sayang din. Ang student ng si Kadusa ng Taradel ang bola. And another steal. David now for the Manila. Pilayo now. Pilayo. Using the shoulder and through the window and the two by Pilayo. Exactly 5 minutes and 39 seconds. 18 seconds on the shot. 62-68. And the floater again. Itong si Virgo. That was an impressive play between the Lini Bahay boys. Exactly 5 minutes and 26 seconds. 62-70. See you there. Way down top play. Back head. Bringing the roller there on the other side. No. Exactly 5 minutes and 15 seconds. 62-70. Suwana finding the other man. Corner 2-point and in and out. Pilayo there. In. 2-point by Pilayo. Exactly 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Kala ko dadaktak na eh. Exactly 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Corner no. Villanueva now. Got the ball and stolen by Sulano and the needs for foul against jersey number 16. Villanueva and the blocking foul. And fourth personal foul by Villanueva and a second team foul against the Namas. Time out. The Iba. Virgo now against Pinjan. 70 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. It's solid by Zito. Zito now. Tapping now. Attacking. Quick release. Hit. And solid by Sulano. Sulano. This is now a Pinjan. And a two to the window. What an impressive play because Sulano. Keep on firing those plays and knocks down a 2-point. Good one comes to Solano now, finding Flores. Solano way down to the and exactly 4 minutes remaining. 72. Suwana. Exactly 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Tila Cruz. Sulano finding Suwan, ball movement there. Virgo dropping, 13 to shoot. And a jumper, elbow jumper by Sulano. Time out. The team Navas. Now, itong si jersey number 15, Sulano, is the scoring machine nitong Lini Bahay. Talagang pinahihirapan itong batang ito doon. Tingnan, basta exact 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Sulano to Flores. Exactly 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Sulano and there almost lost the handle but recovered back. Tabina. Fine big. Flores now. Flores double team. And another steal and a whistle on the ball against jersey number 8. Third personal foul by Suwan. And a third team foul against the team behind. Exactly 3 minutes and 28 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Senior! Fulano firing back. 3-pointer can't hit. Tsunami now got the ball. Tsunami now attacking. Tsunami now. And stolen again by Fulano. Fulano now to Virgo. And a pushing ball against. There's the number 18. David, first personal foul and a third team foul against the team Navas. Exactly 2 minutes and 56 seconds. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Nineteen to shoot. Sulala the net. Can't hit. Just number 18 can't hit. Sally got 3-pointer off the mark. Exactly 2 minutes and 45 seconds. David now. 19 seconds on the shot. 17 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Singer now attacking. To shoot. Exactly 2 minutes and 32 seconds.
Tsaka lang.
14 to shoot. 13 to shoot. Pillar, another steal by Solano. Sayano for the overtime. Pillar and one. Basket is counted plus a foul against jersey number 55, Pillar. Pushing foul. Third personal foul and warning for penalty against the team Navas. Exactly 2 minutes and 23 seconds. What an offensive and defensive play. You don't see it. Jersey number 15, Solano. Si Pirco completed the pass in the mids and a 3-pointer. At 3-point game, you don't see Pirco. Exactly 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 67-78. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Lawrence now, not Serrini. And it was another ball against Viva Cruz. Fourth personal foul. And a warning for penalty. As well from the Viva behind. Now, kapagsak na rin ang siya Viva Cruz. Exactly to there. Exactly 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Ball position on the team Navas. One is there for the inbound, finding Flores. 13 seconds on the shot. See you now. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. See the penetration. Can't hit. Virgo now. Virgo. And an easy kill by Virgo. Exactly 1 minute and 55 seconds. 67 and 18. 17 seconds on the shot. 67 and 18. 3-point lead. 5-3 behind. Aaron loose for foul against. There's a number 15. Penalty. Fourth personal foul by Solano. And penalty. Exactly 1 minute and 31 seconds. Para po sa maganda po sa ating final quarter. Flores sa kanyang mga kamay ngayon. Nakasalalay ang kanilang puto sa matala. Flores completed the mission for 2 game. But the bonus is for Flores exactly 1 minute and 41 seconds. Virgo now, Sally Aurora. And Solano now. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Solano forcing the 3-pointer can't hit. Flores down. Flores can't hit. And a follow on the tail. Can't hit. Exactly 1 minute and 12 seconds. Virgo now. Client. Virgo puts it up under the ring. Exactly 1 minute and 5 seconds. 69-82. Exactly 1 minute. 57 seconds left. 55 seconds. And a 2 by the number 6. 69-84. 50 seconds. 49 seconds. And a loose ball ball against section number 91. Diego. Third personal foul and penalty. 47.3 seconds. 47 seconds. And the first one is up by Villanueva, 47.3 seconds. The last one in,
Time out kami juga.
47.3 seconds. 41 seconds. Flores,
Jeng, jeng.
after the ball, 42 seconds. And time out. The Team Navas, 42 seconds. 19 seconds on the shot clock. 19 seconds on the shot clock. 42 seconds left. 2 seconds, it's long night, but time is so short for the Team Navas. 39 seconds, 10 to shoot, 35 seconds, 7 to shoot, 30 seconds, and a whistle on the contact against jersey number 16. Second personal foul by pushing foul against L'Oreal. And a ball shot by Pilayo. And the first one is up by Pilayo. 30.1 seconds, 14 seconds on the shot. And the last one, Brazil. Time out, TV Bahay. We've got only 30.1 seconds in the final quarter. At ibang panig ng mundo, lalong-lalo na po sa China, Iran, Russia, at Ukraine. 30.1 seconds. Suwana at 28 seconds on the shot clock, and a whistle on the ball and set number 9 Flores. Penalty, 27 points. Suwana for the ball. With the shot. 27 seconds. And Suwana plus in that bonus game, 27.6 seconds, 71.85. And the last one in and out. 25 seconds. Shot clock is up. 21 seconds. And a whistle on the ball against jersey number 11. Penalty. Katipunan will be sending to the free throw line for the bonus of 2 on the first one. Katipunan in and out. We've got only 21 seconds on our game clock. Katipunan for the 1-point bonus game. Shot clock is up. 20 seconds. And a foul there by jersey number 11, Silanoy. Third personal foul. And penalty, 20 seconds on our game clock. Katipunan send back to the free throw line, and the first one is off. Last two of 2 by Katipunan. In and out, rebounded by the big man. There's a number 16 and a block. And rejection there by Flores. 14 to shoot. Huli ka, Balbon. Traveling violation. That was the good goal there by official referee. Papa P. Pio Pascual Perrocho. Shot clock is off 13. Nabusan na bola sa number 8. Penalty. And the first one is off by Flores. So one. Okay. Asa mag-insig. First one is off and penalty. While comes the floor for the last ball shot. Shot clock is off 13 seconds. Last ball 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 4 seconds. And a 2. Time. Game over. And the winner, Team Iba High. 72-88 is the official score.